vanity, I've tried so hard to look at my mumble-jug friends. And as for the vanity, I know I'm right, and if you don't agree, go to hell. Can you believe me when I say to you, most people are rotten and foul, and in padded white rooms I've learned to survive while the world goes on fighting the wars. Well, you say that I'm crazy, you say I'm unkind. Well, to tell you the truth, I'm insane. But if that's the case, then what's your excuse for behaving the way that you do? Can you believe me when I say to you, your behavior and morals don't rhyme? And in padded white rooms I've learned to survive while the world goes on fighting the wars. Well, you go and get married, then divorce in a year because you couldn't keep your fingernails clean. And you have the gall to call me insane. Well, to tell you the truth, I'm Mr. Clean. Can you believe me when I say to you that I think that you humans are neat? And in padded white rooms I've learned to survive while the world goes on fighting the wars. Yeehaw! Well, candy is dandy and sugar is sweet, but people